Happy holidays from here in Sierra Leone, West Africa. This is kind of the long-awaited house tour, finished house tour of our property here in Bo. There's still, as with any property, a lot of work still to be done. We don't have a lot of pictures or early decorations around, so we might kind of slowly work on that through the months here. We also have some few repairs that still need to be made. That's always going to be the case here. The build quality in some of these houses are just maybe not as high as maybe what we were hoping for, and so that just means there is a more constant need for renovations and repairs and fixing things, and we've just kind of accepted that. All of the furniture that you're going to see in this video has been made by hand, either by us or by some locals that we contracted. And a lot of the chores around the house have been divvied up. Obviously, there'll be some kinks that we'll have to work out as they come, but I couldn't be more excited to show you guys a little bit of our home here in Bo, Sierra Leone.